Now, several people are going through problems in their sinuses and in their lungs. The main problem is that they have excessive mucus accumulation, which causes too much congestion, interferes with the breathing, interferes with their sleeping pattern. And because of that, people keep on getting these infections again and again. Now, this excessive mucus can be simply because of allergies that you might be going through, which can be seasonal or it can be environmental. On the other hand, your body's inherent mechanism that removes this mucus that all of us makes on the regular basis is not working, and that's the reason your body accumulates mucus more than others. So this is where the specific breathing techniques, which are two different techniques, works on clearing mucus from both your lungs and your sinuses easily so that you can breathe again. This will hardly take 5 minutes of your time. Now let me share with you step-by-step process of this 5-minute exercise. The first exercise is the postural drainage. So there are 3 steps involved for this postural technique. The step 1 is lying down face down on your bed or a firm surface, and then you put 2 to 3 pillows under your hip so that your hips are higher than the chest area and your head is lower than your hips. Now this is very important because you're trying to create a downward slope from your lung towards your head so that the gravity can help in draining the mucus from the lower lobe of the lung towards your throat area. Step 2 is staying in this position for the next 2 minutes. Now if it is too uncomfortable for you initially, then you can do it for lesser amount of time, but if you can do it between 2 to 3 minutes, that is the ideal time, because that is the amount of time it takes the mucus from your lungs to get drained to your throat. Now in step 3, we are going to do something called huff cough. For that, you take a medium breath in and then you forcefully exhale through your mouth like you're trying to fog up a mirror, like saying huff. You do this 2 to 3 times. Now let's move to the step 2, which is the chest percussion technique, which works really great after you have done the postural drainage, and this is very easy to do. For this, you need your hand, but do not use your flat hand. You need to make a cup out of your hand. Okay, this is what it looks like. You need to lean forward a little bit at around 30 degrees angle, and then you need to take this hand of yours, which is in the cup shape form, and you need to start rhythmically clapping your chest. Basically, you need to start cupping your chest like this, and you go to different parts of your chest, by doing this technique. If you can do it on your back, that is also better. Now the most important thing is that when you are clapping your chest, make sure there is a thug sound coming like a hollow cup, not like a flat hand. After you are done with this cupping, clapping of your chest, then immediately after that you do your huff cough again, at least 2 to 3 times. So that's it. This is a 2-part technique. You can do it 2 to 3 times in a day if required. Now as a caution over here, if you're feeling worse while doing these exercises, if you're feeling short of breath, if you have chest pain issues, or you have rib fractures, then make sure you are consulting your doctor before doing these exercises.